Hello, welcome to Good Room Kitchen Equipment Company. Now I want to introduce a new machine for you. It's a Taiyaki machine. This is a high quality fish waffle maker. What is different our new model with another old model? Let me see this machine. First thing, you see the whole construction. We use the 304 stainless steel. And also you see the surface, very nice, lovely surface and smooth. And also we can open this. We can use this side. We use the 18K like the mirrors. You can see face to face. And also inside we also use the steel. And now I take out the change for you. This change we protect the whole machine to keep the very clean and very easy to tidy up the machine. This also we use the material is the 304 stainless steel. And our machine still have one is very special, the two spray model. One is the open mouth fish model. One is closed mouth fish model. What's different? I'm gonna show you the picture first. You see this picture? This is the closed mouth. And which spray we use? We use this the spray to make the closed mouth the waffle. And another one is open mouth fish. You see, this is the open mouth. What we can put inside, you can imagine. You can use ice cream and the different colored fruit and even the chocolate stick. Whatever you can like, you can put inside. And then made it very colorful and made our customer is very open appetite. And now this kind is very popular in the European and the American. Okay, we see the open mouth model. We can change this machine. You can see this is making the open mouth fish waffle. It's very lovely. We also use the Teflon coating. Always the 3 layer we import from Japan. It's a high quality Teflon coating. So it's the non-stick coating. And how to change this two spray model? I'm going to show you. It's very easy and simple one. You can first thing you see our machine. This got 4 small screw. You just take out the small screw and take this spray out and change this model inside, and then you fix this small screw. And then that's it. It's very simple. And also now we want to show you is the cable controller. We use the digital computer to control. Here it's very simple. You just very simple to get the training for your staff. You can know and how to do that. It's got a few buttons. Top one is the power button. The bottom one is the start work button. The middle one is the timing. Let me show you. And this one is the temperature control. And now we show you how to start. Now switch power point. And then here is set out of 180. Now we'll leave it, and then it's preheating the whole machine until the degree is up to the 180 degrees. So at the moment we're just waiting, and I will show you some very special our machine. This handle. What's different? It looks like the plastic, but actually it's not plastic. This is the pipe leaks. This handle is help our staff to prevent the scald and the mildew and the transformation, and keep the machine is more safety and more safely for your staff, not hurt your hand, because your design is mention our security for the staff use. And also have another small thing. You see, this is a small group. The machine is all have this kind of. You see this side. What's the use for this? Very special, different with another machine. This is prevent the dust inflow inside the heating tube. So the machine is not easily broken. So they help us to protect the whole machine to keep the working a long line. And another thing is the feet. we got the 4 fish to adjust the balance. This fish we use the steel. And what is the difference with the practice? The practice normally is very easy to broken. And after one feet is broken, the whole machine you cannot use. So we help our customers to save the money, and also to make the machine is more stable and they keep the same level, and they use the long line. So we spend more attention on the feet. Here we can see this. We got the this layer. Actually, this setting is inside here. Yep. What is different on the machine? We got 2 layers. One, for example, is the broken. The another one will automatically connect the voltage to continue to working. To make the machine is still can working, keep the long line working, and our customer no need to spend more money to buy the new machine. Okay, the time still have the few minutes, so we can show you one thing is our package. We use the pour cocktail bolt. We keep our machine is more safety, protect them, and then when the machine arrive in your address, it's more safety and no more damage. Okay. Okay. Another thing, our small thing is here. You can see this. We use the laser engage, so it's very smooth and very lovely. You can see it, and quality the material, and all the machine you can see the whole construction is lovely and quality, and another machine. So what else? Now we waiting for the time, the temperature, and then we start to do some product to show you how to make this fish waffle. Okay, you see that when the temperature is up to the 180, the signal is alarm for you. You can know the time is ready to make the waffle. So now you see 180 degree, and now we set up the minute is the 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay. Now we close this and then yeah, and we start the time. Okay, now we're waiting for the time is coming up. Okay, the time is end. Let me open the machine, see how it's going on. Wow, lovely. This is very nice. The smells are so delicious. Okay, we can use 2 tools. One is stick, one is clip. Now we can use the clip to take. Okay, don't touch any surface of the machine because it's very hot. Keep your hand safety. Okay, you see, nice. Okay, now see how it's very nice. You can, up to you, you can decide. You can put chocolate and the fruit and the vegetable and whatever you like. Let me show you. Put some chocolate. See how it's going. See? And then you can make 1 cup of coffee and sit down on the table to enjoy your snack. So how is it going? If you like your machine, you leave the message for us, and also log in our website www.goodloan.com. My name is Bao Chen. Welcome you, and see you next time. Bye bye.